And welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your PIN number from the T-Mobile app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're on the phone support with T-Mobile and they're asking you for your PIN. How do you actually get your PIN from the T-Mobile app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your T-Mobile app. Next, click on the bottom right-hand corner where it says Manage. Now from here, you want to click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Security, and then next, click on T-Mobile ID. Now, once you click on T-Mobile ID, we have some more blurred out information here, but on the bottom-hand side, click on PIN/passcode, and that is going to allow you to actually change your PIN from T-Mobile. Now, there actually is no specific way to get your PIN number from T-Mobile. What you can do though, is that you can just change your PIN number here and then go ahead and save it and then provide it to your phone support. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your PIN from the T-Mobile app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.